Watch the interesting method, non-routine method. Don't miss it. Like, share, comment and subscribe SS Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you. Let us rock the next video. Part 5 of our CBSE Term 1 examinations. So, nothing but pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay. So, what is the solution of the linear equation? This one, and options are given. So, if you observe carefully, since it is an MCQ and here the questions of x and y are very large. So, this can be done in a simple method. So, here there is no method of basically by elimination or substitution method. We will reduce, then we will apply. So, let us go through it. I am going through the best approach. So, nothing but here solution. So, 37x plus 43y is equal to 123, and here it is 43x plus 37y is equal to here 117. So, by adding the equations, so mark as equation 1 and here it is 2. So, by adding we are going to get nothing but, so here I am going to get 80x and here it is 80y and here it is 240. So, from this if I take 80 as common, so that here x plus y is equal to 240. So, this implies what is x plus y? 240 by 80 gives you x plus y is equal to 3. So, mark as equation 1. Next, coming to here, I am going to subtract. So, nothing but 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 implies 43x plus 37y is equal to 117, and 37x plus 43y is equal to 123. Okay. So, here I am going to do subtraction, that's why I change the sign. So, minus, minus, minus. So, here I am going to get 6x and here it is minus 6y and here it is minus 6. So, taking 6 as common, I am going to get x minus y is equal to minus 6. So, with the direct steps you are good at calculations. Here itself you can cancel 1s and minus 1s. So, 6 x minus y is equal to minus 1. So, mark as equation 2. So, solving the equations, here it is equation 3, this one, sorry, and this is our fourth equation because we treated first and second equation. So, solving 3 and 4, nothing but x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to minus 1. So, here 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, 1 plus y here, nothing but finally I am going to get 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So, this is a solution for the given equations. So, nothing but here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. If you go on do by trial and error method also, it takes much time because the questions of x and y are very large. So, finally I want to write here nothing but with the given data, the option is nothing but our C option. Okay, so here basically no elimination, no substitution method. After reducing the equations with the basic mathematical steps, I have done again the elimination method. So, here the questions of x and y in the fourth equation and here it is in third equation has been reduced. Okay, once you have the look. So, this is a problem by adding the equations, third equations, and by subtracting the equations, I am going to get fourth equation, solving 3 and 4, I got x and y. So, hope so you like this video a lot. So, give me encouragement by liking and share to your near and dear friends if you feel good, and suggest me in the comment section and subscribe my channel those who did not done. Okay. So, this also very important for your various competitive examinations because the questions are very large. Okay. And at the same time here, by considering the MCQ also, you may get much time. So, if you are good at calculations, you can do this one. So, it is also important for your SSC of TS and AP and Olympiads. Okay. Have a great day. Catch you later.